Hello all, welcome to NativeScript tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to learn about tab views. So, what are basically tab views? So, let's just quickly search tab view iOS. So, if you are a iOS user, you are more familiar with tab view because you have seen tab view in your mobile application like this. You have a tab view with multiple views at the bottom of your application where you can switch between the different views with a single frame. Here in this case, featured, top chart, near me, search, updates have different views, but the tab view hold all the different views in a single place. So in this tutorial we are going to make a tab view with NativeScript. So as you have followed our previous tutorial, in the previous tutorial we have worked on image picker to get the image from gallery. We will extend our the same application in this case with tab view. So in case of tab view, as it is by default with NativeScript, so I have a tab view. I will enclose my existing stack in my tab view and I will give my stack layout as tab item. As a tab view consists of multiple tab items, and so in this case this stack would become one of the tab item in my tab view. So whatever comes inside this stack layout would be a part of that tab view. Let's say for the first of my tab view I will call it as home. In this case I have missed this. Okay, yeah, fine. So let's add one more tab view, tab item. I will call it as, let's say, users. So now I have a tab view with two tab items in my application. Let's save it. So now I am getting an error, unexpected character, end of line. Okay, so in this case with this I am getting, I haven't enclosed these curly braces in quotes. Here also similarly because I have copied. So now to save it. So now as you can see in my application I have two tab views. So now you can clearly see the difference. In the case of home, here I'll separate it by spaces. These first one hold my image container and the button, so it's appearing in my home section, but nothing is there in the case of second users. So nothing is appearing up in case of users. So let's say if I will upload an image here, now my uploaded image is in the view section of home but not in the view section of users. So it's quite cool because you have two different layers of your view for different tab items. So to make it more beautiful, it has one more parameter as icon source. So in my case, my app resources for iOS hold these home PNG file in two different resolution, that is 2x and 3x. The 2x size is 60 cross 60 and 3x size is 90 cross 90. So if you want to add images to your tab item, you should also have an image with two resolution, that is 60x60 and 90x90, and another one is users, that is again 2x and 3x, that is 60x60 and 90x90. So let's add this home here. I will add this icon property also in the case of users, with replacing user as home as user. So now as you can see, my tab view has images and it's looking good here. Let's add the background color of this as gray, so we'll have a better UI. Background, what I'm doing, background color as gray, and I will, let's say, not the outline part, the primary part of the button I like the most. So now I have given a background color as gray and my button as primary, so both of them are looking good. Let's add a different photo. So in this case I have a tab view with two different views in my application. So in this tutorial we have learned how to use tab views with different tab items and how to place our view inside the tab item so as to cater different UI to different tab item. That's all for tutorial. Thank you.